Hello from Slovenia again. Today is a special episode because I'm doing a collaboration piece with Gail, Burstyn from Life In Splatters on YouTube. If you didn't check her yet, please do. She's a wonderful artist and she does wonderful things. For us who know her, we know that we all love her fantasy creatures and her big shmear thing. And when we discussed what we will do, we decided that I will do her big shmear technique my way, of course, and she will do a dip her way. So I'm so excited to see what Gail will do, and this is what I will try to do. So colors that I will use, I will go for quite a lot of black, hopefully, and I have some Cadence colors. This is Cadence Antique Bronze Metallic and Cadence White Gold Metallic and Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold, and I will use a split cup too. And I will use some blue turquoise from Amsterdam and Atist loft metallic cobalt blue and this gorgeous Cadence menthol metallic paint. And I don't have the palette knife that Gail does, so I will use just this palette knife for a shmear. And as I said, I will do a flip cup. Sorry guys, a split cup. Maybe this is a sign that I should do a split cup flip cup someday. And I will try to do something here in the middle, not with a lot of paint, that I will not cover the whole canvas, hopefully. And I have my black. All my other paints are mixed 2:1 with my pouring medium, but for black I use Amsterdam oxide black for a shmear thing, mixed 4:1, so it's thinner. I know that Gail uses Floetrol, but I said I will just go with my pouring medium that I always use, and you can find a link to how I mix my paints into the description box. So let's go. I will add some of this white gold here. And iridescent precious gold from Pebeo. And this antique bronze, so beautiful. And I will do another layer, and I hope that I will not have too much paint, because I don't want too much paint. Colors, I have to say. I have to have enough paint to cover my canvas, but okay. And in this one I will start with blue turquoise from Amsterdam, and then this metallic mint color and metallic cobalt blue. Layer again, turquoise. I'm layering almost like for a flip cup. Maybe this is why I said flip cup. This turquoise. I think that I have a little more paint here than here, so I will just add a little of this bronzy color here. And in the middle one I will add just black, because I don't know. Let's see what will happen. This is my split cup, and I will put my gloves on because will be a lot of black paint, and then I have this black paint all over me, so let's grab another palette knife. Okay, and I'm using 12 by 20 inch canvas, and I will pour some black here in the middle. Okay, and now I will just go with my split cup. I have to move this paint because I will spin it a little bit while I'm doing this, and I will just pop up these air bubbles first. So let's go. Oops. Okay, I really love those colors, and maybe I would even love to have this just without the shmear, but the whole thing is about shmear, so I will pour some black around, spread it with my palette knife, and That's why I want to have, just have to remove these paints a little more black in between, because I was hoping for this negative space. So you know that I lately want to do a negative space kind of. I don't know, maybe this painting can be one from the fantasy creatures too. But I will do a shmear or two. I will tilt it a little bit and then I will decide about shmear. Okay. It's quite an interesting thing here. On this part to go off. And since I really want to do a great shmear, I think that I will end up with this, and it will be a fantasy creature thing from Gail's channel, because I really like it and I don't want to do a shmear on top. So you see, this is how this thing worked, because I really wanted to do a big shmear thing, but since I like this thing so much, I will leave it, because I think that I honored Gail with this one too, because she does a beautiful painting that she named Fantasy Creatures. So I hope that you will not be mad at me, Gail, because I think that this painting is just meant to be like this, because it has this flow and colors and fantasy creature character, because I see a dragon here with something behind and colors. see? Dragon with a tail and I don't know, some thing is behind him. I really love this kind of I don't know, stones, and because of all these metallics and it should look really gorgeous when it will be dry, so I really want to leave it like this, and I think that Gail will agree with me, because you know, fluid art, acrylic pouring is all about the process and the feeling. So if you pour something and you thought before that you will do I don't know what, you can always change your mind and keep the thing that you like, or you can always go further. But I'm in love with these details and just can't wait how they will dry. Maybe you can see some shimmer if I go like this, but I really don't want to do anything else with it, so I will definitely do a great shmear too, but I just decided that I will keep this one for my collaboration with Gail Burstyn Life In Splatters. Please check her work, what she did. Definitely you will like her dip too, and see you on the next one. Bye!